On justice in building Contra, we believe that the next customer is an agent and not a human, and we want to be able to help people interacting with agents be able to make payments in a verifiable way. So we'll get into it. So we have seen an expression of that through a marketplace whereby we can onboard. Currently, we are on Lightning Network using L4 too, and we can onboard APIs that like legacy systems. This is an example of like some of the systems that we have, and this is where you can onboard with the so you can put your service name, a description, the APIs. You can decide to make the APIs as you wish. So this is my merchant account, so you can see examples of systems that I have put in some of the. If I sign out, this is basically where you can create accounts or you can sign it. So that's for the user when they coming on board. Let me get back to the home page. The user can get to our code right here, or they can use this URL, right? So you can add dot to the TP, and then straight where the connects are. So you go and put this add custom connector and you connect, and that's it. So here's that if you want to plug in as an infrastructure provider for you, you can. If you are a user and you just want to, so example, it may be a building a personal agent open claw. You can whereby your open claw can now have access to like many systems that it can help you make purchases from in a very safe and verifiable way. And you can use existing AI platforms like OpenAPI. So that's right now. So let me get to how you sign up as a user. So, so nice. You add custom integrations, contract, and the URL. You add it. So you can, and when you send to a page where actually sign up, right? Right. I'm logging in. Now this merchant, some of them can require KYC, some of them that's in the policy. Get back to that. A successful uh, flush lead or a basic thing can be uh, to know prices of the price of Bitcoin and pay their. This might even seem a bit. The example is basically to show like bridging the gap between like agentic in a verifiable way. So think of it like in the future you can be able to have not in the future currently you can be able to have guided systems being able to be on the contract Shopify stores the whole idea, right? Basically like something you can get for free, but So currently we are on back, we are running on the light work, and that this is just to show like it became with agentic payment. It's showing some of the items we have. If there are more, you see more there. Asking us to check the balance. Mm, so it does check the balance. So ideally, we are going to be connecting your account to it for you to be able to talk. And that's the flow that rich. Then you notice the receipt. When I click this, I can see that I paid and verifiable. Some of them might ask for KYC. You see something if you want to buy, pay for the age, but also for the age. Yes, sir. Yeah, so whole KYC will take time, but I'll let you that is basically going to ask for KYC. And I won't run to the KYC flow. We would like you to test it so to give us a feedback. Mm, so some of the APIs request for data in real time. I said, what's my name? So I sent it to that service. But it's not complete KYC, so maybe there is as in the flow for KYC. When we are done, we'll be able to like my personal details, but like make payments. So then that's basically showing what Contra is about. I can also show you the top up, but this is simulated because we are not connected to like an actual fiat system that will onboard you to crypto yet. And that's the next step. So so the fund to your bank account. So that's the next update. So thank you very much.